Today on the workbench, we're taking a look at the Fimco 15-gallon standard spot sprayer. One of the first things you'll notice, like with many Fimco products, is that it comes largely assembled right out of the box. Inside the packaging, you'll find the tank lid and lanyard, a 12-volt power connector and hardware, your owner's manual, the sprayer tank, hose, and spray wand, all pre-assembled. If during unpacking, you notice any missing parts or run into an issue with your sprayer, please reach out directly to Fimco Industries. Our US-based customer service team will be happy to assist you. Let's get started with assembly. Begin by attaching the wand clips to the front of the tank. Use the provided Phillips screws and align the clips with the threaded holes and small positioning tabs on the tank. Next, snap the spray wand securely into the mounted clips. Install the tank lid by threading it on and securing the lid's lanyard to the hole next to the opening. Before use, we recommend checking all fasteners to ensure they are tightened and secure. Finally, plug in your 12-volt power supply and your Fimco 15-gallon standard spot sprayer is ready to go.